Stock Market Investing for Beginners. 3 books in one. The ultimate guide to create passive income with option trading, day trading, swing trading, and cryptocurrency. Written by Tony Brooks. Narrated by Matthew Buckner, Devon Wilcox, Niko Markovich. Copyright Tony Brooks.
Introduction. The main goal of any investor is to increase their wealth in the shortest possible time, to the extent that they maybe secure their financial future. This opportunity is not as frequently achieved as one may think. However, the stock market is one of the options where it is possible. The stock market is deemed as the king of all investment options, which great fortune may be reaped overnight. The lucrative nature of the stock market has provided many opportunities for profits to be gained daily. Learning the art of investing in the stock market will result in a steady flow of income. It is simply a matter of learning how to profit off of the fluctuation in the price of the underlying security. This can be done over the course of years for long-term investing, down to a matter of seconds for scalping. There are 2 main approaches to selecting a stock move that you believe will be profitable. They are fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis deals mostly in the well-being of the company itself. The perception that a company is performing well or poorly are examples of fundamental analysis. This information can be gathered from news reports, earnings, and company reports through examination of income statements and balance sheets. Technical analysis is the term used to describe the analyzing of a stock based upon a stock chart. The loss of money in the market is most likely as a result of stock investors who are unable to read a chart. Another reason for money loss may be that they gave their money to a money manager that collects a commission just for placing your money into a stock and forgetting about it. Either of those occurrences can be prevented simply by learning for oneself how to read a chart. When you learn how to read a stock chart, you have the ability to manage your own money in the market, and you can profit from fluctuations that go undetected by traditional buy and hold investors. You can make money on a stock whether it is going up or down in price by either going long or short on a position. Long means you want the stock to go up, and short means you want the stock to go down. By placing yourself at the right place at the right time in the market, you can benefit greatly. The stock market comprises of many other markets that are also lucrative. Some of the major categories to be found within the stock market investing include the purchase of stock, options, futures, and forex. With stocks, you generally need a good amount of capital to invest, as each share corresponds in price to where the stock is at in value on the chart. So, by purchasing one share at that price, your investment moves in tandem, dollar for dollar, with the stock. The success of this form of investment in the stock market will be successful if you purchase more than one share. This is, in itself, expensive. One should note that purchasing cheaper stocks may seem beneficial. However, it should be remembered that cheaper stocks move slower or by less dollar points each day. Options, on the other hand, are a great way to get into the stock market even without a large amount of capital to work with. Options contracts can be bought at a fraction of the price of a stock and move with high degrees of leverage. This means that you can make more with less. Options have a lot of extrinsic values determining their price, such as time and validity. By understanding the different factors that make up the value of an option contract, you can be very successful with this type of investing. There are also advantages and disadvantages to futures as well. On a positive note, futures can be traded many more hours of the day than stocks, and you do not have to refer to an option chain as you do with options. You can also day trade with less than the day trade minimum with futures. However, futures contract on a commodity, such as oil, and can cost a few $1,000s to control. For this reason, it may help to start off trading just one contract at a time. Forex is the foreign exchange market in which trading of the various currencies between nations takes place.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?